guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this body wave V-part wig from Hurela hair. So if you are interested in seeing more about how I got this look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this wig from Hurela hair. This is their V-part wig. Shout out to Hurela hair for sponsoring this video. You guys know I've been loving the V-part wigs. I've actually been wearing nothing but V-part wigs for the past 2 weeks. So when they reached out to me to try out theirs, I was super excited. So let's go ahead and get into this. This is their body wave, and this is in a 20-inch. So let's go ahead and open her up. And V-part wigs are super cool. They have a V-cut shape leave out. So it's less leave out than the traditional U-part wigs. And if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you guys know I loved wearing U-part wigs, but now V-parts are my more preferred because it's less leave out. So I can leave out less hair. It's faster styling for me, and I just love it. So let's go ahead and just get this net off. And I already have my leave out and stuff prepared. With these wigs, you are going to have to straighten your hair for it, or you can do no leave out. So that's another thing about the V-part wigs. You can do no leave out, but for me, I'm going to be leaving out some of my hair. So this is what it's looking like. Body wave texture. And then this is what I mean by it's a V shape. So you don't have to leave out too much leave out. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then it just has clips, so it's nice and snug on your hair. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. So what my hair is looking like underneath is I always do like these 2 braids. So just 2 braids. And then I have my little bit of leave out. This is all that's left out. So like I said, I've already been wearing V-parts this week, so I don't have to create the shape or leave out anything. Just gonna move that to the side. So this is what I usually work with. So that's all that's left out, and then I usually just straighten my edges, and that's it. So let's go ahead and just put this hair on. Oh yeah, and also included with this hair, you do get a really cute headband, a little rhinestone headband. You get some little hair clips, a tweezer, and a scarf, and you do get a wig cap. Wig cap's kind of optional when you're wearing the V-part wigs. You don't really need it because of how far back the V-part goes. A wig cap can't be in the way. So I'm just going ahead and unclipping the clips. And I'll put this on. So I'm clipping it close to my part. What would be easier is if I did have like a small braid to create an anchor, but I'm a lazy natural, so I just put my hair in those 2 braids and then I just clip it onto my hair. I find no problem with this method, but if you do want just a little bit more security, then go ahead and put 2 braids on each side just so it's more of an anchor for you. But like I said, I don't have any issue. I don't experience my hair slipping or anything when I do this method. So go ahead and just make sure the back is in good. And then also there's combs on the side. You want to make sure those are tucked in so that your wig feels really secure. And then I'm just going to do the method of tucking my hair behind my ear. But another method I've been doing lately too, if I do decide to finally straighten this hair and curl it, I will take my leave out and I will flexi rod the leave out, and then in the morning I take it down and it's curled and it blends in with the wig. But this is what it looks like. Super cute. The hair feels really soft. It feels really, really good. Go ahead and put a middle part. So I always like a middle part. You can of course do like a side part with this hair, but I'm more of a middle part girl, so I'm going for the middle part. And I like that you don't have to cover up too much of the track back there. And the thing with this hair, it actually isn't like a track. It's like they created it to be like almost like it looks like hair is coming from your scalp instead of hair being like the actual track. So what I'm gonna do is grab 2 bobby pins so I can pin back the hair. And this would look better if my hair, my real hair that's left out, was freshly pressed, but it's been like a week since I pressed my hair, so it's not the freshest pressed look. But when you freshly press your hair and then wear this wig, it looks so good. So I'm just taking a bobby pin, and I like this method because when I do this, I can use less heat on my hair, which is win-win for me since this is leave out. When you just tuck it, then you are doing less heat. And I always like to straighten out my sides a little bit because I like just for the hair to hang. It just looks more natural for that install. I went ahead and zoomed out so you guys can see me a little bit better. This is what the hair is looking like. It looks so good. Very, very natural install. Like barely have to do anything. So like if you want to curl this hair, you can curl it. But when I get fresh body wave hair, I like to actually enjoy the body wave texture. And then after that, I'll usually straighten the hair. And then after that, I will usually curl the hair. But you could go in where it is now and create some beautiful wand curls. And then you could straighten it if you wanted to. But yeah, like I said, super easy install. It looks so good, so flawless and natural. And lately, I have not been laying my baby hairs. You guys know I usually lay my baby hairs, but I feel like with the more pressed hair look, I just like it, you know, no baby hairs. So if you guys haven't already, I highly recommend that you guys check out Hurela hair. This hair is amazing. It's so soft, bouncy curls, very, very easy install, and you're ready to go. So if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Check out the description box for Hurela hair. Comment down below if you like this hair, what's your thoughts on it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.